Jamaica,
Under the
watch this.
demerit point system, every driver begins with a clean slate, but break the rules and the points begin to add up. Disobey a traffic light or stop sign, that's 6 demerit points. Drive well above the speed limit between 33 and 49 kilometers per hour, 4 points. Accumulate between 10 and 13 points and your license is suspended for 6 months. Reach 14 to 19 points, you can't drive for 1 year. Hit 20 or more and you'll face a 2-year suspension. The system resets every 15 months, offering drivers a chance to start over, but only if they stay within the law. Transport Minister Darrell Vaz says the system represents a necessary step to strengthen compliance and improve driver accountability.
That the demerit point system under the Road Traffic Act 2018 and Road Traffic Regulations 2022 will take effect on September 30th, 2026. This marks a major milestone in the modernization of the road traffic enforcement and the promotion of responsible road use across Jamaica.
The announcement comes as road fatalities continue to raise concern. As of June 24, 136 people have been killed in 122 crashes. Authorities point to speeding, reckless driving, impaired driving, and other dangerous behaviors as persistent contributors.
It is no secret that existing on our roads, we have several drivers with hundreds of tickets outstanding who have not had their licenses suspended and are the main perpetrators of reckless and lawless behaviors on our road.
While there has been a slight reduction in fatalities, the Transport Minister warns the situation remains serious, with the country aiming to sustain a downward trend.
And if maintained, we will see Jamaica a fifth successive year of reduction in road fatalities. With a raft of efforts being implemented by the Ministry of Justice, the Ministry of Transport, and the JCF, Jamaica can continue this downward trend and see less than 300 road fatalities by 2027.
The government is also advancing a national road safety campaign funded by a portion of money collected from traffic tickets. According to Mr. Vaz, 1.1 million traffic tickets are outstanding and 118,000 have been recently issued. Motorists have a limited window to regularize outstanding tickets before the system takes effect on September 30.